We continue to monitor our minor tropical depression off of the west coast of the Philippines, just east of Vietnam. Now, it's a minor tropical depression. A very exposed low-level circulation will not become a typhoon. In fact, you can see it here on our visible satellite imagery here. This is via Metro Weather's Weatherscape, and you can really see the low-level centers right there, right? But look at kind of these exposed clouds just on the southern periphery. You have all this convection off towards the north. That is just really just getting sheared apart and weakening. Now the sun went down right there, so you can see you can't see anything until the sun comes back up. That's visible satellite imagery 101 for you. But this image on infrared, you can even see a little bit of that inflow there with some convection trying to flare up right around the center of circulation. The point is, the little energy from this tropical depression is mixing with the cold surge off towards the north, which is going to help flare up some thunderstorms across parts of Luzon, especially as we go ahead through the day on Sunday. And then you can see flow down here towards the south, still kicking off some showers in parts of Mindanao. Now, once we get through this next cold surge, I think things are going to be quiet, relatively quieter for the rest of February. So here's Friday, heading into Saturday, a little shear line set up, but watch our next round of higher winds. See how this starts to dig in from the north? And it's that interaction with our tropical moisture that's really going to flare up those thunderstorms out here into northern Luzon. All the while, you know, we're still seeing easterlies, so Sunday and the Monday is still good look at scattered showers across parts of Mindoro, the eastern side of Mindoro, not the western side, over towards the Bicol area, and even into Mindanao. We still have the easterlies that are just going to drive that moisture onshore. A little bit of a closer look with our weakening tropical depression out here towards the south and west, and then we have our shear line with the energy that came off of that off towards the north and east with our next cold surge spilling in, and that's another good look of what I'm talking about with that flow coming in from the north. So let's take a look at the total rainfall amount. Where is it going to be the heaviest? That's what a lot of people want to know, right? It will be Cagayan, Isabela, parts of Aurora, Region 2, maybe over towards Manila. Relatively drier in places like Palawan, where if you got the flooding rains here recently, actually, it's going to be relatively calm with sunny skies here. Take a look at our northeast monsoon still dominating. This is going to make for some big waves. Places like Cani Surf Resort in northern Luzon, one of our sponsors, they're going to be looking at some decent swells out there if you want to get out and about. Tacloban 28 degrees, Cebu is at 30 with those afternoon showers, mainly the eastern seaboards of the mountains or the hills in Visayas. So that's we're going to be looking at the heaviest of the rain. Taking a look over towards Palawan, as I mentioned, some clearing over the weekend, so you have sunny skies with a high of 31, while showers still possible into Manila and afternoon thunderstorms into parts of Region 2 and also into Baguio due to the northeast monsoon continuing to dominate. And speaking of the northeast monsoon, I do want to note that the broader temperatures here. Tokyo, for example, 14 for the high, low for 2 on or 3 on Friday. Seoul at 0, and it's going to even get colder heading into Monday into Seoul with negative temperatures. Now, I point this all out because this is that cold surge is pushing towards the south and where this cool air is coming from. Siberia, it is chilly, and that's fueling up what we're seeing out here and why this next cold surge is going to be pretty dominant through the second half of February. If you like these updates, please check out our Patreon. Link is down below. As always, thanks for watching, and we're going to continue to track our tropical depression out here off of the west coast of the Philippines. Very weak, but I think the key thing is the energy that's going to filter in with that cold surge. So watch out for that heavy rainfall. I'm meteorologist Robert Spetta. If you like these updates, please check out our Patreon. I'll never put this stuff behind a paywall. I refuse to, but I did just do a giveaway on our Patreon. The updates will not be put on a paywall, but of course giving away free stuff. Not really free because you guys donate to me, so I'm just giving back, but I'm going to give away a couple shirts and things like that. So yeah. Anyways, hit that like and subscribe button, of course. Stay safe out there, friends. I hope you're having a great day.